In this short video, I'm going to be showing you how to use ChatGPT in the Slovenian language. Now, whether you want to translate the front page of ChatGPT to Slovenian, or whether you want to actually have a conversation with ChatGPT and get a response back in a Slovenian language, in the next 2 minutes, I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know in order to make that happen. Now, as you can see on the left-hand side here, there isn't actually a settings button, which means that you can't really change any of the settings of ChatGPT, and that includes the language. So, with that said, I did actually find a way around that. I am using Google Chrome on a Windows PC, so if you're using different operating system, device or browser, the process might be a little bit different for you. Whatever the case may be, at the very least, please make sure to use Google Chrome because I'm not sure whether any of the other browsers have this feature. And if they do, the process might be entirely different. So once you're on ChatGPT on Google Chrome, simply right-click anywhere on the screen, then click on Translate to. In my case, it's English, so to add Slovenian, right-click on the three dots, or left click, sorry, and then click on choose another language. Then click on the little arrow here and then scroll down until you find the Slovenian language, which is right here. Click on that and then translate. And as easy as that, the front page of ChatGPT is now translated to Slovenian. So when it comes to actually talking with ChatGPT in Slovenian, you don't really need to change anything. All you have to do is simply talk with ChatGPT in the Slovenian language and it will revert back to you in that same language. Now, just to give you an example, I did go ahead and copy a phrase from Google Translate in Slovenian. So we're going to ask ChatGPT how it is and see what it comes back with. Now this can take a few seconds. If it does, or if it gives you an error, all you have to do is simply refresh the page and try again. As you can see with mine, it's not coming back to me with a response. So let's try that again and see what happens. As you can see, yep, it's giving me an error. So I'm going to refresh the page and try again. And within a few seconds, ChatGPT is already coming back to me with a response in the Slovenian language. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please do go ahead and leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, let me know and I'll be more than happy to help.